Hi, I'm Jeffrey Unsinger. I'm the plant manager for Wasco manufacturing facility under Certis Biologicals. This facility got its start in the 30s as a creamery. In the 40s, it was repurposed into liquid fermentation, and then at that time we started making the BT products. It was not Certis Biological branded yet.
The first BT registered for pesticide use in the US was produced right here. Since Certis took over the plant over 20 years ago, we've continued with BT production, but we've also added other organisms as well, such as Bacillus subtilis and fungi, and we're also making products from the neem tree. We make a variety of products that farmers rely on, such as double nickel 55, and our BT family of products, Agree, Javelin, Delphin. We also make products such as Trilogy and Neem Mix 4.5 at this facility.